In example 5, we're going to draw and label a figure for the following situation. We want to represent plane R containing lines A, B, and lines D, E, and they intersect at point P. We're going to add point C to plane R so it's not collinear with lines A, B, or D, E. Well, first off, let's start with our plane. We usually represent a plane with either a parallelogram or a rectangle. So here's my plane. And a lot of times I'll put the name of my plane up in the corner. A cursive letter R is what we would call it here. I'm going to add in lines A, B. So here's line A and B. I'm going to have that intersect line D and E. So here's line DE in that same plane. So I'll put D here and E here. And where they intersect, I'm going to call that point P. Now I want to add point C so it's not collinear. So I don't want point C to be in the same line with DE or with AB. So I'm just going to put C someplace over here so it's not in the same line. Now in your coordinate plane, on example 6, for example, we're going to construct a coordinate plane. So remember, in your coordinate plane, you have an x-axis and a y-axis. X goes across, and y goes up and down. So I'm going to put the point Q, negative 2, 4. So remember, that goes x, then y. So I'm going to go to the left 2 and up 4. Here's point Q. I'll label that as negative 2 and 4. And then I'll put 4, negative 4. That'll be to the right 4 and down 4. That'll be point R. And then we'll have a line going through QR. And then I want to add point T on my line, so it's on my line. So I'm going to place point T someplace on my line. Could be left, right, middle, doesn't matter. Now if you take a look at example 7, this is almost a trick question. How many planes do you see? Well, I see plane S, my horizontal plane, but notice if I look at plane AC here, ABC that is also a plane. So there are there's a vertical plane and a horizontal plane. So we have 2 planes we see here. Name me 3 points that are collinear. So name me 3 points that are in the same line. So that'd be A, B, and D. Are the points A, B, C, and D coplanar? So A, B, C, and D, yes, they're all in this vertical plane, aren't they? If you have a line and a point, they're going to form a plane. So yes, they are. At what points does line DB intersect line CA? Well, if I trace DB, here's DB, here's line CA. Oh, so they intersect at point A, because 2 lines intersect in a point.